be like, who's this weird white-haired guy in your vlogs? But what's up, guys? I've taken over Ella's vlogs.
Yeah, because he has no job. Hi guys, I'm in Nasik and we just came here like I think couple of hours ago. So I met another friend who's also a YouTuber. His name is Raj. So he brought us here. We were supposed to go to this dam, like he said that he'll take us there, but he did not know the road. So we just landed at some like random place and it's just so beautiful. Like there's fog and oh my god, I can't tell you how amazing it feels, and the weather is so pleasant. And yeah, oh my god, this is heaven, like right here.
I was telling you to carry a shoe, to wear shoes, but these girls wore a chappal to this thing.
We didn't know where it was. Yeah. Put my leg in the water. And you, do you want to put your leg in the water? Go. Now I'll see. Dude, let's put our legs.
Yeah, I think you guys should do it because you guys.
Because pretty feet. No, because you're wearing a shoe.
I was gonna say shoes, but also.
Okay, that's one thing that I had like, and if you're watching, all the Nasik people, stop catcalling chicks. It's not good. Not cool. Not cool. Like so many guys, so many cars have like gone by and they have just like
Catcalled you guys.
like, aimlessly just hey, what the fuck?
That is bad, right? That is like so shitty, dude.
Shouldn't be doing.
People from Nasik watching.
Like Mumbai crowd is so much better. So we just got ready and this is what I wore because the weather, it's crazy. Like in the afternoon it was so hot and now it's so chilly, and I have definitely not carried the right clothes. Don't be like me. I mean, I carried a lot of summery dresses because I thought I'll just wear dresses. I did not realize that, you know, today we'll be doing so many things. And I'll have to wear something for the dinner. So, and the place that we are going to isn't, you know, very luxurious place or anything that I can wear a dress. So this is what I've ended up wearing. We don't have a light, so you know, Ishita is just doing her makeup with the help of a lamp. Also, Ishita, on like the newest video that I put up, people are like, your friend is so pretty and all that. What do you feel about that?
Oh, sweet. Thank you.
Yeah. So I woke up at 6 o'clock and right now we are, where are we? Kutte Nasik madhe out up Ami, but we are going to some really nice place, Gangapur Dam. Yeah, we go to Gangapur Dam, and yeah, Ishita is talking to her mom and we are just waiting for the chai. When you like hang out with content creators.
Yeah,
That's Prathamesh. Oh my god, Prathamesh, you haven't said hi to my vlog. काय बोलते किती दिवसानंतर माझ्या ऑडियन्सला हाय बोल. माय ऑडियन्स recognizes you. They know you. Did you guys see that? I did that. I did that.
I got them.
Stupid.
What?
Guys, Harshala has ate the missile and usko basically hit ho gayi hai. That's what Prathamesh says.
High on missile.
She's high on missile right now. She's not saying anything.
I'm not saying anything because I'm happy high.
Oh, so sweet.
Because you know it's just different.
Yeah.
I love coming to Nasik.
Yeah, you should come more often. Do like monthly trips. No, not monthly.
Weekly, I guess.
Weekly. हाय म्हणा दादा काका, काय म्हणता? मजेत का एकदम?
कशी तब्येत?
तब्येत वगैरे मस्त, ऑल गुड. काय म्हणता काका?
ठीक आहे.
मजेत एकदम?
हो.
I want want to buy a horse.
लय महाग असतो.
मला खरंच हॉर्स
नाही पण सध्या पेट्रोलचे जे रेट आहे त्यामुळे
त्याच्याने तर खरंच हॉर्स अफोर्ड करू शकतो
चणे पण परवडतं आणि हॉर्स पण
मी
परवडतं.
पप्पांना लिटरली बोलले आय एम गोइंग टू गेट अ हॉर्स रिटायरमेंट झाल्यानंतर यू प्लीज टेक केअर ऑफ द हॉर्स.
पेट्रोल भरलं फुल टँक 4,500 माझा जीव गेला काल पेट्रोल भरण्यात.
Where are we going?
To a random place.
on a mountain, and it's really sunny. Like it's unexpectedly sunny.
But breeze एकदम cool.
And there is nobody around.
तुम्ही पेपरवर करा.
Oh, thank you.
मी माझ्या
Show them the kid, Ella.
कार्डवर करतो.
So we've got colors and stuff here, and yeah, I've basically got everything that I had घर से.
Because he's a design student, so he had a lot of
thing. He forgot the drawing book.
Yeah, so we just bought this. Guys, we went to the most like beautiful place. I don't think so I have felt this alive in a while. It was so nice. It was so breezy, and it was pretty sunny when we reached there actually. But then I don't know, like I couldn't even feel the sun or the heat. It was so pleasant. I love Nasik, and the skies here are so clear. But anyway, it started raining, so we had to come down, and we thought that we would paint and draw and all that, so that did not happen, but that's okay. Now we are going back to the hotel, and then we haven't planned our day. Pata nahi abhi what we are going to do. We are going to go to Sula, but I am pretty full. The cool thing is Raj is actually drawing me.
In the moving car.
Yeah,
In the
like
moving
he's
car.
literally put my picture there.
And that's
Yeah,
rasta.
so far.
though it doesn't look good. Like it's
Very raw.
yeah, it's actually very raw.
Yeah.
हाय गाईज, दिस इज मी अगेन प्रथमेश पाटील हिअर. आणि हर्षलाने परत मला ॲज अ कॅमेरा पर्सन म्हणजे परत कॅमेरा तुझ्याकडेच ठेव पॉकेटमध्ये असं झालंय. तिच्या पर्समध्ये ऑलरेडी 5-1 किलोचं सामान आहे आय गेस.
5 किलोचा नाही आहे, बट ओके. आम्ही आता जस्ट why am I speaking in Marathi? We have just come to Sula just to chill, and that's it.
Yeah. So should I speak in English or Marathi?
What? Ari, you can speak in Marathi.
Like English in Marathi accent? Okay, let me try no.
Yeah, okay, try it.
What's up everybody, Prathamesh Patil here. Today we are vlogging and we have a boy from New Zealand. It's like
Let's go, baby. Let's go.
Raj Nana Tambat over here.
Raj Nana Tambat.
Yeah, that's just Nasik in nutshell for you. She's Ishita Vashi. Oh my god. This is classic Harshala for you. Dive right in. Follow my lead. Woo!
Had the most amazing dinner. I mean, the dinner was like Raj had ordered it.
No, I
but
cooked it. I cooked it.
You did not cook it. Shut up.
Baba.
But what was great was the halwa, dudhicha. Oh my god, too good.
Which my mom made. Yeah.
Amazing.
Let's
I
go.
need a like recipe. It's so good. Okay, now I'm gonna ask Raj this question that I think all the YouTubers they ask each other,
Yeah.
which is, so what was your first impression of me?
Oh damn, man.
सगळे विचारता का एकमेकांना?
My first impression about you, very honestly, was so I started watching you because of the Marathi vlogs, right? And I thought you were a very sweet and very innocent girl, and And that's the reason why, yeah, I mean, yeah, that's.
and
नाही नाही आता खरं वाला सांग.
She's like, आता बंद आहे recording. आता
खरं सांग.
You know, I'm very serious, like very serious. Right from start, I found you very innocent and very homely. So you know what I mean, like very
Warm, na, very
warm. Yeah.
My first impression of him, so I'll tell you what, he just like texted me randomly, and before I say anything, like people do that, the creators, they do that. But yeah, this is not like me saying all the creators please slide into my DMs. Don't do that.
Do it.
High chances of like no, but like I like to network, I like to talk to people.
Yeah.
Like I like to go through your content, and if it's good then I respond.
Yeah.
But anyway, so I looked at his profile and it was really nice. So I was like, okay, I'll talk to this guy. And we started talking and we spoke for like good, like I think we just clicked and it was good.
We clicked very fast.
Yeah. And this guy's like, okay, if you, what did you say? Hey, I'm here, I'm new here, and I
was
would
like, I'm new in town.
Oh yeah, I would like to hang out. And I was like, new in town, great. I thought he's from Mumbai, and then turns out he's from Nasik, and then.
And then the rest is history, guys.
The rest is history.
The rest is everything that you just saw in the vlog.
Yeah. But if I were to say what I think is, yeah, he's a nice guy.
Thank you.
But initially I just thought that he's just you know,
Have a what?
like a playboy. I thought he's a playboy. Your mom's like, what? You're talking about my son?
My mom is just like staring. My mom is just staring at Harshila right now.
Are you talking about my son? And now that I know him enough and well, I think that has changed. Like,
Thank you so much.
He's
Hey, let's
not
go.
what I thought of him.
That's the validation that I've been looking for.
All the validation.
All the validation. I'm so happy that you don't find me as
a playboy.
Playboy.
Yeah.
नई नई है ये बातें वही फिर इस मोड़ पर हम मिले हैं न जाने मिलोगे हम रुक जाओ एक पल यहाँ पे
शायद फिर से जन्म मुलाकात हो न हो लग जा गले के
Good morning guys, so it's the third day and the last day. We just checked out and came to this place for a little brunch, and we are just waiting for the food, but honestly there's nothing, and it's Sunday. I'm just surprised that this place is even open. It looks nice and all that, but I hope the food is good. Yeah, just waiting for my coffee. Sunday morning, really nice. And Nasik was like so beautiful. You had fun, right? Oh yes, I did. Where are you taking me next? Mathiran. Let's go to Mathiran.
माथेरान your plan?
Let's go to Mathiran. Prathamesh should plan it.
Yeah, sure. Yes, everybody knows.
Me, knows you by now, yeah. Alright, now I'm gonna have now we're just going to have our brunch and then head back to Mumbai. And yeah, that is it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then you know the drill. Like, share, comment, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'll see you next time. Bye.